Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for Madame Tussauds for having us here today. And Assalamu alaikum to the Pakistani community here today, the members of the media here today. It is indeed an honor and a privilege that we are unveiling the statue of Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto here at Madame Tussauds, Dubai. I'd first seen this statue in the Madame Tussauds in London, but as most of you may know, Dubai has a special place in the heart of our family, as my mother, Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, spent around 10 years here in Dubai when we were in exile, and I received my primary and secondary education here in the UAE. So we have a close attachment to this city, to this country, and we're immensely grateful that the memory of our mother, Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, is being honored here today in the form of this wax statue. She is a symbol for democracy, for freedom, for equal rights for women across the world in the peaceful, prosperous and progressive face of Pakistan. So we're very grateful for you, for your entire team who worked so hard to make this happen. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us here today. Thank you.